Hey everybody, Ryan Chichak here, Solution Architect at Databricks. I wanted to shoot this quick internal video basically showcasing inside of Unity Catalog. I have my catalog called Chichak Test Catalog, and then under that I have a schema default. And I have a number of tables, and you can see the tables here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If I look at the sample data of this is a managed iceberg table. You can see I have a column ID and then name. And then when I query this from inside of Databricks, I have no masking or policy set up. What I wanted to showcase here is if I use the iceberg rest catalog inside of UC and I connect Trino, which I'm running OSS Trino on my laptop, I want to basically showcase that Ranger is hooked up to my OSS Trino. And what I'm able to do is I'm able to create a masking policy inside of Trino using my iceberg rest catalog. In this case, it's the Chichak test catalog. And basically that is identified under Trino using my OAuth 2 service principal. That's an admin. Okay, so that means it can access all the tables. But the important thing here is that I'm specifying my catalog, which is default, and then what table, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then if I say, hey, what column do I want to go after, and say name, and for any user, you can see public group, I can add a condition, and you can see here, I can say I can create a masking redact policy. Okay, so if I open up my Trino console, and right now I'm logged in as the user Alice. And if I run this query from ABCDEFG, you can see the name is redacted. And the interesting thing is if I come back in to Trino as an admin and I try to run the same policy, you can see an admin doesn't get redacted because I'm an admin. So it does not apply to me. Again, I'm an admin. But if I come in again as a user, Alice, just like I was a second ago, and I do the same select statement from that table, you can see again that policy is being followed inside of Ranger. And basically what this showcases is that if you use a service principal today for your OAuth 2 authentication from Trino into Databricks UC, using the iceberg rest catalog, if that connection string coming in, I can still use Ranger on the Trino side for column level masking, row level filtering, etc., even access policies. So if the service principal doing the connection is an admin and has access to all the tables on the Databricks side, that's okay because I can still adhere to Ranger policies, as you can see right now. Well, thanks everybody. I hope this was straightforward. Have a great weekend.